I have a new product here to review. This is the Ring stick-up camera. So this is going to be an unboxing, and then I'll also do a review of when I get it installed. So yeah, just picked this up. Just going to do the unboxing here, take out the seal. Really nice little unit. It is very portable, as you can see. You can stick this up anywhere. It comes with a couple accessories here. Let me just adjust that. So it does come with your charging cable. So this is pretty much a standard charging cable. If you've seen, if you have a Ring doorbell, you're very familiar with this charging cable. Just plugs into, I believe it's the back of this unit. Yeah. This does actually unlock. So as you can see here, there's a lock and unlock section here. Let's pull this off. This swivels. I believe you can mount it on the side or at the bottom. So I will probably mount it like this, because I do want to mount it on a wall that I have next to my house. So there's one area of my yard that I want to monitor. Yeah, so this is, let's see, designed by Ring. This is actually made in Vietnam. Ring LLC, Santa Monica, California. So yeah, that's the unboxing. It also comes with instructions and a decal, so you can mark it as your house is protected by Ring. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and we'll do another video when we actually get this running and doing some monitoring for my home. And I'm also going to just fully unwrap this camera. There's a protective seal over it, so I'll just pull that off, and yeah. Now I can unlock it. Just wanted to show you that. I didn't get a chance to do that earlier. So that's where the battery is stored. And you can just push that out and the battery will come out. Yeah. So pretty standard setup for these cameras, I guess. And I think you have to pull this out before you actually use it for the first time. So, yep. So here's where I mounted the video camera. The stick-up camera is right in the corner of my deck. Actually, if I just spin around real quick, this is the view that I'm monitoring here. This is our deck. We have all our vegetables here, actually. And we also let our cat out on the deck because we have these fence. The fence is blocked so the cat can't escape. And I just want to sometimes monitor when she's coming out. So this works pretty well. It doesn't really pick up the movement as well as I would like. It might be a little bit further away from the door than I would like it, but we'll have to work on that. And just want to go through how I mounted this. So it's really pretty easy. You just have these two screws here. You screw them in. I did a little bit of leveling, but actually I realized the leveling doesn't matter all that much because you can adjust this and level it out yourself. So there's a couple ways to mount the holder. You can mount it right there where I have it, or you can mount it towards the top more. So I think I did move it, or you can actually move it to the bottom where it becomes more like a pedestal. And that's pretty much it. So all you do is, there's these little guide pins here, as you can see, and the guide pins there. So really all you're doing is just kind of getting those guide pins lined up and then just sliding it right down, and that's it. And then once you slide it down, you can, like I said, you can twist it and angle it. It's pretty much, I don't have it seated 100% right there. Okay. So then you can just, yeah, rotate it. There's some movement, there's a lot of movement this way or that way. up and down as well. So you can position the camera exactly the way you want it. And then what I also did was, in the app you can also set it so it just monitors a certain area, because this plant here sometimes makes the motion go off, so I have to adjust to just aim the motion sensing area to where I want it in front of the door. So yep, that's pretty much it for the ring stick up camera. It works pretty well. Again, if you really want to detect a motion, I think it's probably better in a doorway or walkway, but where I have it here, I'm going to give it a try and let you know how it works. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Take care.